very thankful for all your commitment to those things and all the help you do. I think there's maybe, I don't know, one parent that was right at 20 hours. The rest of everyone was almost over 20 hours of their volunteers. So thank you very much for that. What we'll do first is we'll do the preschool class. We'll bring all the preschoolers up. I'll call their names. They'll stand up here and we'll give them a nice clap together. After that, when we do the kindergarten part, that will be one at a time. It's a little more special. They're going to be moving on to a different school and not with us next year, so we want to wish them good luck. And there's JJ. Let me get the certificate.
JJ.
Why is standing over here?
What program is going on? It's your ceremony.
Sit down, put your shoes on.
We have some families who couldn't be here, and they're of course all on the top. Yep, they're all on the top.
Saying you're ready for kindergarten.
There we go, Hannah. Come on up, Hannah. All right, hold this, and then turn around and stand right here. Aiden. There he is. So stand right here next to Hannah. Can you hold those things? Jaden. Noah. Turn your body this way.
Is that disappointed?
Alright, well, my other preschoolers are not here. This is all my preschoolers that are returning. We had quite a few who didn't come today. A couple of families were out of town already on their summer trip. So we'll give them a nice big clap.
Yay!
Alright, and now for our big kindergartners. Our first kindergartner is Nick. Come on up, Nick. Alright, we'll give him a big clap.
Yay, Mickey!
Nick is going to be at Ridgeview.
Oh,
Alright.
Wilder Wade.
Nick.
Oh, I thought it was Wilder Wade.
It is Wilder Wade, I think.
Wilder Wade?
Yeah.
Wilder Wade?
I was like, don't confuse me.
Wait a
Look
minute.
at him. Michael.
Huh, buddy?
And Michael is going to go to Dunlap Grade School.
Yay!
Good job. Mahi. And Mahi will be at Wilder Wade.
Wilder, your turn.
Camden.
Caleb.
Is.
Give grandma. Give the grandma.
And Camden will also be at Dunlap Grade. Very good, Camden. Damien. And Damien will be at Wilder Wade too.
Yay!
Mommy's videotaping.
These are your
Still
pictures.
one more year, then your turn.
Cool.
Where's your other paper?
JJ.
Where's your other paper? Okay.
And JJ will be at Wilder Wade.
Yay!
Very good. Isabella.
Hey, bub. Hey, bub.
Let go, you're bending it. Let go. Okay, go look at it.
Let me see her.
Don't spill it.
Sit down right here, baby girl.
Oh,
Caleb.
Sit down in the
Miss
bed.
Patty, you can have
Barbara
something.
will be at Wilder Wade.
Yay! No, I didn't.
Ridgeview. Don't keep counting.
Oh.
You need to keep your eye on her, please.
Ridgeview.
And she will be at Wilder Lake.
Yay.
I should work on that. And Rania will be at Wilder Lake. Olivia. And Olivia will be at Ridgeview. And Sven. Sven will be at Hickory Grove. He gets to go to the new school.
I already forgot.
My house, and I need your picnic table. I'm gonna have to.
All right, and I said thank you to everyone, but there's one mom I do need to say an extra thank you to. She has served on our parent advisory board all year and years prior. Tony Beckman has done a lot for our class. Come on up.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got
No,
some
you
things.
no. Thank you.